The workflow starts by polling your Gmail inbox every minute. Any new email in your support account is captured, including ID, subject, and snippet or body. This becomes the raw material for the whole automation. We check if the email contains valid fields. If the ID or content is missing, the workflow immediately routes the event into the error log Google Sheet. Otherwise, the email moves to AI processing. Azure GPT-4o receives the email subject and snippet. It produces structured JSON containing a main problem summary, an FAQ category, a suggested FAQ title, a short 2 to 3 line helpful answer, and a recurrence flag set to true or false. This converts every email into a knowledge base style FAQ entry. We clean the AI output, remove any JSON code fences, and parse it into a valid object. If parsing fails, the error is logged into Google Sheets automatically. The cleaned AI output is saved into your Notion FAQ database. Each entry includes the title set to the main problem, the category, and the short FAQ answer. This keeps your internal documentation updated with real user issues. Your team is notified instantly on Slack once the FAQ is saved. The message includes the title, category, summary, and a link to the Notion page so everyone stays aligned on recurring customer issues. We run the same email snippet through another AI model to detect urgency level, customer sentiment, whether immediate action is needed, and a short explanation. This gives your team real time insight into priority issues. We clean and parse the sentiment JSON safely. Errors get logged separately. If the AI detects urgency as high or critical, the workflow routes the email into escalation mode. Slack receives an emergency alert for critical messages, highlighting the email snippet, sentiment, urgency, and the reason. This ensures the dev team reacts immediately. The system replies to the sender automatically with a summary of their issue, a short AI generated answer, and confirmation that the issue has been added to your knowledge base. This closes the loop and improves customer satisfaction.